Go. We're waiting, chapter 2, blah, 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 blah.
Ready?
Yes.
Chapter 2 is strong in the dark side of the Force.
Oh my god, is that serious?
Tisk, tisk,
Wait.
tisk.
Wes, I want you to recite Rick Perry's Strong and in an Arnold accent.
Wait, recite the speech in Arnold?
No, recite Rick Perry's Strong ad.
Let's see. Let me find the text to it.
I'm not ashamed to admit I'm a Christian.
I'm not ashamed to admit I'm a Christian.
Keep going.
I'm trying to find let me find the lyrics. Or not the lyrics, the actual copy of the speech. Type in Rick Perry and Strong is the first thing that comes up. Alright. I'll record this for you guys.
Okay.
I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm a Christian, but you don't need to be in the pew every Sunday to know there's something wrong in this country with gays. Can serve openly in the military, but our kids can't openly celebrate Christmas or pray in school. President of Arnold, I'll end Obama's war on my muscles, and I'll fight against liberal attacks on my muscles made America strong. And strong again. I'm Arnold, and I approve. I'll be back.
Oh my god.
I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm a Christian, but you don't need to be in the pew every Sunday to know there's something wrong in this country with gays. But kids can't openly celebrate Christmas or pray in school. As President of Arnold, I'll end Obama's war on my muscles, and I'll fight against liberal attacks on my muscles. Made America strong, and it will make us strong again. I'm Arnold, and I approve. I'll be back.
Okay. Let's see. Let me see what Emperor Palpatine sounded like.
Chapter 2 is strong, the dark side of the Force.
Oh my god, is that serious?
Tisk, tisk, tisk.
Should I read it like that, or do you want something else?
Sure.
If you think you can go the chapter like Emperor Palpatine.
All right.
Rough and ready.
Oh, I should give you some notice to actually start the recording.
I just recording. I'm already at like 4.5 minutes. Recording this bullshit.
Chapter 2. Tisk, tisk, tisk. You couldn't take them anywhere.
A Viking we will go, a Viking we will go.
She.
Hi-ho the daddy-o, a Viking we will go. Yo, man, I'm in the mood for a little bit of robbing people. You know what I mean? Well, it's all them buxom, blonde-haired Scandinavian women we were promised, with names like Ingrid or Ursula or Cocksucker. Yo, guys, I want a battle axe like a real one. Forget AK-47. I gotta show it to my friend the Warcraft. Yo, man, it's fucking cold. Pass me my fucking mantle. Yo, dog, where's my fucking plunder? Did you take my plunder? Hey, guys, I think I'll do my hair in war braids today. Yo, nigga, who says that Vikings didn't wear horned helmets? I really, really want a horned helmet. I'm gonna fucking attack you with it. What's the name of your sword? Big Dick. How about you? Oh, I'm Mr. Big.
All this reading was being delivered to Toroff by his 4 teammates as they stood... Motherfucker. All this reading was being delivered to Toroff, his 4 teammates, as they stood on a reproduction of a Viking dragon ship on a godforsaken fjord in Norway. A tourist trap strong in the dark side of the Force.
Man, you weren't kidding, Max, man. Let's just go find a fucking mug of beer. Or, whiskey, I guess. Forget all this time travel bullshit.
I wish I could. Yeah, you need to get your asses hauled if you ask me. I think I...
No, that was supposed to be, pretty boy, that guy.
you okay. Boy who's pretty, go read now.
Come on there, boy. I think you just need to get your dick sucked, if you ask me.
Toroff agreed. No. Ask you. Getting laid is the answer to everything. Sorry. Getting laid is the answer to everything.
4 eyes turned to it. 4 sets of eyes turned to look at him. He grinned and shook his head at the hopelessness of arguing with the blockheads. There were close to 200 members of SEAL Team 13, but they had gone through BUDS training.
But right.
When downrange, they were the guys who wanted watching his ass. But when they were inactive sexually, as they were now after 5 days in Western Norway, all that energy had to be directed somewhere. Unfortunately, he was the chosen target. They were pissing him off big time, and they knew it. So he saluted him with... excuse me. Emperor Palpatine tipped back too much cola. Refreshing. They were pissing him off big time, and they knew it. So he saluted them with his middle finger. They just laughed. No surprise there. I have foreseen it. The wind had died down about a half an hour ago, and the long boat had pretty much stopped moving, so the red and white striped sails had been lowered.
Come on, boys, whip your dicks out. Come on, boys, don't be shy. We all know what it looks like.
I don't know why it is so funny. Dick Dickinson, the president. Sorry. Penis Peterson. God damn it. God damn it. It's not that funny. Okay. Dick Dickinson, the pretend captain of this tourist longship yelled out. Picking up their oars, 12 sets of pretend Viking sailors came to attention. They looked like idiots, probably college students in their pseudo-Viking dance, designed from...
Yes.
He agrees. In their pseudo-Viking dance, designed by some dingbat Calvin Kleinson, no doubt. See, the novel thought that saying Calvin Kleinson was witty. They are weak in the dark side of the Force. Sitting on sea chests, they began to roar in unison. They may have been dressed like no Vikings he'd ever known, with belt buckles that would rival a rodeo rider's, and tunics and brays made of ultra suede, but the rhythmic sound of oars creaking in oarlocks was not unfamiliar to Torolf. As the longship plied easily through Freyaford, Torolf looked for familiar landmarks to no avail, even though he travelled there with his father and brother Ragnar when they were youthlings. What the fuck is a youthling? Everything looked different now. Even worse, 2 days passed. Torolf had stood on the very spot where Norstead, his family estates, had once been located. There was a shopping mall there now. Even
Coca-Cola.
Even so, Torolf had dropped to his knees in the parking lot, praying for deliverance back to the past, much to the amusement of the passers-by. Jam had helped by sprinkling some holy water on the concrete. Jam had helped by pissing on the concrete. Who knew that Jam carried holy water around, just in case there was an emergency?
Yo, man.
Cage whispered.
Sorry.
Cage whispered, elbowing him to draw his attention back to the present.
Yo, that fucking fag keeps staring at my ass.
Everyone was looking at their ass. Cage Everyone was looking at their ass. Cage, most of all, with his shoulder-length hair, little gold loop earring, and stupid cowboy hat and cowboy boots. You'd think he was a faggot.
I think we lost like a huge section. Oh no, we didn't.
Well, you want to pause it and go back, I can do that.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I can still edit all this.